Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Beth once again. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And for those of you who are back to watch my videos, welcome back. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you get notified for when I post new videos. So today is going to be a really exciting unboxing, at least for me, because I finally received the bag that I picked as a replacement for the reverse monogram pochette métis that I had a problem with. If you have been watching my videos, you would know that I had a defect on my reverse monogram pochette métis and I brought it in store and they offered me store credit, and I told them that I would love to get another reverse monogram pochette métis. Since then, I've been going back and forth if I should really get the reverse monogram pochette métis or get an empreinte one. If you have been following Louis Vuitton with their new releases, they actually just released the new color Rose Freesia, which is almost like a fuchsia but had that like darker tone to it. So I went back to the store and they had the Rose Freesia Neonoe, and I actually tried it on. That was the first time I've ever tried the Neonoe. I don't usually go in store, only when I have like something defective that I need fixed or whatnot. So I tried it on and I instantly fell in love with it. And my essay there, she actually told me that I should consider getting the Rose Freesia Pochette Métis. So I told her I'm just gonna get the Rose Freesia Pochette Métis. I saw one of their bags that was in the empreinte Rose Freesia. I thought it was going to be like really hot pink, like very flashy and very bright. But actually it wasn't. She told me that they actually put like a darker tone to it. That's probably why it didn't look so flashy. It didn't look as bright. It was still bright, but not as bright as you would think a hot pink would be. So I told her to put me in for the wait list for the Rose Freesia Pochette Métis in empreinte. And since that time as well, when she put me in the list, I still wasn't sure. Last week, I finally decided on what I wanted to get. And this is going to be the unboxing of the replacement for my reverse monogram pochette métis that had the quality issue. I took it out from the box. The box is like huge. If I bring it out here, it's gonna cover my entire frame. So I just took out the Louis Vuitton box so we can just unbox that one. So here is the huge box. So let me tell you guys, when I opened this up, I was actually brokenhearted because there was a huge rip on the box here. I am not sure exactly how this ripped, probably from shipment. It wasn't really well padded outside of this box, so it probably was like shook and it ripped. And there's actually another part that had a huge rip on the box. So this one is also ripped. There, as you can see, it is ripped in two different places. So I told my essay about this and she told me that it was probably the handling of UPS that made it rip, and she promised me that if I was going to be around the area, she was gonna give me a replacement. Let us go ahead and unbox this. I'm just not gonna undo the ribbon. So this one is the one with the magnetic closure. Here it is. Here is the receipt. So let me open this up. Here it is. Here is the item inside. Just gonna put the box down and take it out. So here it is. Let's open it up, and here is the replacement that I got. So I got the Neonoe in the Rose Freesia. I am so in love with this color. See, if you're wearing this one and then the pink is just gonna peek out, it looks so beautiful. So when I tried this on in store, I instantly fell in love with this. It was just so beautiful. When the Neonoe came out last year, I really didn't like it as much and I didn't really care for it until I tried on one the time that I was in store, and it was beautiful. I really love it. It is just so beautiful, you guys. So let me show you guys the bag. So I'm sure you guys know that the Neonoe has a strap that you can actually convert as a crossbody, and you can unsnap this one, unsnap it, and then snap it in on the top like so. But I'm not gonna do that because doing it like that is just too long for me. So I'm just gonna be wearing it as a shoulder bag, and I love it like that anyway. So as you can see on the side, the alignment isn't that bad. I know a lot of people complain about it not being aligned, but the alignment of this one is actually not that bad. With the shape of the bag, it is impossible for this one to perfectly align, but I am okay with how mine looks. And let me show you the inside of the bag. The inside just feels so luxurious, you guys. This pink suede-ish material. I don't know what it is exactly. It is just so beautiful inside. I haven't really opened up this zipper yet. I don't know exactly how much it could fit. Oh, there is actually a booklet inside. I didn't even know that. So there's the booklet, and there is the textile card. So this is the care booklet. Is there anything else there? That's it. So the inside is very roomy, and the inside of the pocket actually, oh no. Oh no. The inside of the pouch is actually ripped. Oh. I'll try to take a picture of the rip that I have found inside so you guys can see it, but oh no. I really hope I will be able to find a replacement for this one soon. Oh, that really sucks though. That really sucks that it's ripped. Aww. So other than that small rip that I found, everything else is beautiful. I can't believe it. But yeah, this is my beautiful rose Freesia Neonoe. I really love it. I love this pink color. It's like a darker toned pink, and I couldn't be happier getting this one as my replacement. I am so excited, although I'm so sad on the rip that I just found. I will be contacting my SA, and I will update you guys later on as to what is going to happen with this bag. I hope you guys love it as much as I do, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.